Hi, today we are making cheesy potato bread. So for the dough, add 2/3 cups of APF aka all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon oil, and 1/4 cup of milk of wise cow. Yeah, wise cow. Now knead the dough for about 5 minutes to make a soft ball. Cover the ball and rest it for like half an hour in the area 51. It's potato bread, so we're gonna use a big boiled potato. Smash the potato with any smashing utensils you have at home. Add 2 tablespoons oily eggy paste, mayonnaise, a pinch of salt. You can add any herbs or spices you like. Do whatever you want, people. Okay, now sprinkle some flour on the counter. Roll the dough for about 22 cm in diameter. Now it's time to add the almost everyone's favorite source of fat, which is cheese. A handful of mozzarella cheese. On top, a smooth layer of mashed potato. Again, mozzarella cheese. This bread is actually really good to make on the first day of your sibling's diet and eat the whole bread in the corner while your sibling is looking at you and wants to punch you like very hard. So fold the bread like that. And pinch the wrinkled area. Roll it for 2 or 3 times so everything go along with each other. Brush some oil in the pan. Add the bread gently. And on top, brush some more oil. Oil really gives a very beautiful yellowish color. Cook the bread on low heat for 5 minutes on each side. Wow, look at that color. It's just so beautiful. This bread is only for one person, so do not invite anyone. Cut the bread into 4 to 6 pieces. I accidentally cut it into 10 pieces, so it's not looking very good now, but it's alright. Every bite of this bread has mashed potato and cheese, a childhood dream. This bread is like crispy, cheesy, potatoey, warm. Like, what else you want from your bread? to give you $1 million. I mean, I really want that because I'm broke. So, thank you. Bye.